Okay guys, if I get 50 subscribers, I will do a live stream of push-ups. And each, like on my videos, I will do a push-up. Every day I will put on my live and at my live stream. If my likes, if all my videos have 1K or 1.4K, I will be doing 1,000 push-ups. Okay? But if
Parang cellphone mo tayo.
but for every comment, I will need to bot it one. I need to land it. So, like and subscribe for the live. You can save 50 pounds per person. Sayang. Ba't po nung sila nag-uuntugan? Nag-away ko sila. Oh. Kaya ko nga yung ganito na bottle. Paano dito? May nang-vlog-vlog. Parang subscribe for the live stream. If you want. Okay, I'm gonna say it again. Each like I will do a push. So don't make sure to put a lot of likes. And don't put a lot of comments too, because I don't want to but so many times. My previous high score in Battlefield is actually 495 Battlefields. Dati pa yung pero nasira yung bottle. Okay, malapit